What up, guys? So let's just address the elephant in the room. I was supposed to be here like a million years ago, and I have delayed it, and I'm done delaying it, so I'm here now. And I'm so excited if you're watching this because you have some serious patience for waiting on me, and I appreciate it, and I'm so excited because I'm here now. We're doing this. I made this look in like 15 minutes. If y'all want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Is this working? Oh wow, it is. What's going on? What is this? Why am I wearing this shirt? What the fuck? Alright, so we're gonna start with applying my Aveeno SPF facial moisturizer. I live in LA, so the sun is terrible for my skin, so we're trying our best out here, alright? And then I'm going to use my Mario Badisco, or however you pronounce it, rose water spray, just to kind of freshen me up. And then we're going to get these eyebrows done. Now, I've been using the same eyebrow stuff for years. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown. And I'm just going to outline my brow and fill them in, and I'm sure you guys all know how to do this by now. If you want a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, please let me know and I will be more than happy to make one for you guys. Right now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I do need to get new foundation because this one doesn't match my skin very well, but we're just going to work with what we have today. Blending it in really well with my beauty blender, making sure there's no creases or splotchiness. And I'm going to set it with my Cover FX translucent powder in the shade Translucent Light. Excuse me while I lose a lung there. Now I'm only going to do one eye for you guys just so this goes by a lot quicker. And oh well, there I am getting down. So here we go. I'm using the Venus 3 palette. I'm going to be going in with the shade Bliss and just buffing that into my crease and getting it all smooth and blended out. And then I'm going in with the shade Paradise, which is like the purpley color in the palette. And I'm just kind of using that to define my crease and give it some more depth. Now once that's all done, I'm going to blend it all out. It doesn't really matter what kind of brushes you use, I think. It kind of just depends on how you do makeup. I'm going in with the same two shades, Bliss and Paradise, and just buffing them underneath my eyelid or my lash line and smoking it out. And now for the lid, I'm gonna put Dreamy all over it, and it's kind of this nice nude peachy color. It's very pretty, especially for springtime. Now, last but not least, I'm going to go in with the color Beam, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corner and make it all blingy and pretty and get some of my brow bone. Kind of just completes the eyeshadow look. My favorite mascara, I've been using it for years. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof. I used to use the regular one, but it was too flaky for my liking, so I switched to the waterproof, and I have had no problems ever since. Yay, now for the fun part. We're gonna do lashes. I'm just using my Duo lash glue. I need to get a new one because it's disgusting. And honestly, I don't even remember what lashes these were. I've been using them for a couple weeks now, and I threw away the box. So I do believe they're Ardell or Ilure or something. I got them at Ulta. They're super extra and fat and fluffy, just the way I like them. Now for the face, I'm just gonna go ahead and buff in some more of that Fit Me foundation all over. Get it nice and smooth and blend out all over my ears and my neck. And yeah, make sure there's no harsh lines because nobody wants that. And then I'm gonna set my foundation with Makeup Forever Pro Finish Powder. I believe this is in the shade 155. I'm not sure, I'll have to double check, but yeah. Love Makeup Forever. This stuff is the bomb. And now I'm gonna contour with my Too Faced bronzer in Chocolate Soleil. I love the way this stuff smells. It literally smells like chocolate. It's so yummy. Now just doing the super important parts. Make sure you get the nose. That's like the holy grail of bronzing and contouring your face. And now going in with my Fenty Beauty and Hustla Baby. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow. I'm also gonna pop a little bit of the highlight in my inner corners just to make it pop more. I'm going in with my favorite lippy, the Tarteist Pro or something like that. The Tarte Liquid Lips anyway. Yeah, they're bomb. And I believe the shade is called Delish. And now, because I'm extra, I always have to go above and beyond. So I'm going to top off my lips with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Lip in the shade Pussy Whipped. And I literally ran out of spray, like right there at the end of the video. Isn't that hilarious? Well, thank you for watching. That's the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. And please like and subscribe to see more videos in the future.